얼마나, 얼마나. This is used to ask how much is the degree or intensity of a certain description. Again, 얼마나 means how much. Next word is 전화. Again, it's 전화. This is a noun which means telephone. Again, 전화 means telephone. Next word is 안 매워요. Again, it's 안 매워요. This is an adjective which means not spicy. Again, 안 매워요 means not spicy. Next word is 안 가요. Again, it's 안 가요, which means not going. Again, 안 가요 means not going. Next word is 왜요. Again, it's 왜요, and this is a polite way of asking why. Again, 왜요 is a polite way of asking why. Next word is 전화해. Again, it's 전화해, and this is an informal way of saying call me. Again, 전화해 is used to say call me. Next word is 왜입니까? Again, it's 왜입니까, and this is a formal way of asking why. Again, 왜입니까 is used to say or ask why in a formal manner. Next word is 좋네요. Again, it's 좋네요. This is used to say good, and there is a sense of surprise or admiration that something is good when you say 좋네요. Next word is 날씨. Again, it's 날씨. This is a noun which means weather. Again, 날씨 means weather. Next word is 갔어요. Again, it's 갔어요, and it means went, as in the past tense of go. Again, 갔어요 means went.